What if I told you there's a way to biohack without spending a ton of hours in the sauna or in the gym? Country star Kane just dropped 20 pounds and says it's all thanks to fasting. In a recent post he shared, first part of the journey, fast for 60 hours, only water and black coffee. You should at least lose 5 to 7 pounds and kill some bad cells in your body. So what's the science behind a transformation like this? Dr. Rhodes is a nutritional biochemist who is also a contributor to Biohack Yourself and the founder and CEO of Mimeo Health, a company specializing in a supplement designed to replicate the benefits of fasting without requiring individuals to actually fast. So what's the perfect amount of time to fast? Well, he mentions it on Dave Asprey's podcast, The Human Upgrade.
When you look at the clinical research into it, the magical number really seems to be kind of this 36-hour mark. So that's typically what you would experience during alternate day fasting, which is where we see in the data you get the best lifespan extension and typically where you get the best health span extension as well. So it's basically, 1 day of normal eating, 1 day of complete fasting, rinse and repeat throughout the entire organism's lifespan.
Dr. Rhodes also shares, as a Biohack Yourself contributor, the benefits of intermittent fasting with the 16-18 method. This means eating within an 8-hour window and fasting for 16. Some of these benefits promote fat loss, reduce inflammation, and support cellular repair. In the Biohack Yourself 5-part documentary, RFK Jr. actually agrees with this philosophy, supporting whole food nutrition, detox practices, and lifestyle-based prevention. He even said that he did intermittent fasting and started with just that and lost 22 pounds. So whether you're in it for the weight loss benefits or longevity, Kane Brown might just be the latest inspiration to rethink fasting. Be sure to comment below your fasting experiences. Don't forget to follow us on Instagram. Comment Biohack for exclusive information on our magazine.
Big news, biohackers. You can find Biohack Yourself magazine on shelves worldwide. You can grab your copy at your go-to spots like Barnes & Noble, Publix, Kroger, Books A Million, H-E-B, and over 5,200 other retail locations. You can also find the magazine at fitness centers like Lifetime Fitness, Equinox, LA Fitness, and so many more. This isn't your average magazine. It is your ultimate guide to hacking your health and unlocking your best life. Our inaugural issue features psychiatrist and brain doctor to celebrities, Dr. Daniel Amen, and he's revealing the science of ultimate wellness. Plus articles from leading experts about biohacking testosterone, biohacks for better sleep, brain fuel tips, seed oil secrets, and longevity protocols that work. Your biohacking journey starts now. Pick up Biohack Yourself and fuel your evolution. Tag us when you grab yours.